Artificial intelligence is no longer a distant or abstract concept. It is not something that belongs only in research labs or advanced technology companies. AI has quietly become part of everyday life, influencing how decisions are made, how services are delivered, and how businesses operate across nearly every industry. Most people interact with artificial intelligence multiple times a day without realizing it. Recommendation systems decide what content we see, search engines interpret our intent, fraud detection systems monitor transactions, and automated tools optimize logistics and customer service behind the scenes. These systems do not announce themselves as AI, but they rely on machine learning models working continuously in the background. At its foundation, artificial intelligence refers to systems that can learn from data rather than simply follow fixed rules. Traditional software behaves exactly as it is programmed. AI systems behave probabilistically. They identify patterns, make predictions, and improve over time based on experience. This ability to adapt is what allows AI to function in complex environments where conditions constantly change. The rapid acceleration of AI adoption over the past decade did not happen by chance. It is the result of three major forces working together. The first is data availability. Digital platforms generate enormous volumes of data through transactions, communication, sensors, and user behavior. AI systems require large datasets to learn effectively, and modern society produces them at scale. The second force is computing power. Advances in hardware, especially GPUs and specialized AI chips, have dramatically increased processing capability while reducing cost. Cloud computing has made this power accessible to organizations of all sizes, allowing startups and enterprises alike to train and deploy AI models without owning physical infrastructure. The third force is progress in algorithms. Improvements in neural networks, deep learning architectures, and optimization techniques have expanded what machines can do. Tasks that were previously impossible, such as real-time language translation or image recognition at scale, are now routine. AI is best understood not as a single industry, but as a general-purpose technology. It functions as a layer that enhances existing sectors rather than replacing them. In healthcare, AI assists doctors by analyzing medical images, identifying anomalies, and supporting diagnostic decisions. It accelerates drug discovery by narrowing down potential compounds faster than traditional methods. In finance, AI is used for fraud detection, credit scoring, risk management, and market analysis. Financial institutions rely on machine learning models to identify unusual patterns that could indicate fraud or systemic risk. These systems operate continuously, processing data far beyond human capacity. Retail and e-commerce platforms use AI to personalize experiences, forecast demand, optimize pricing, and manage inventory. Recommendation engines improve customer engagement, while supply chain algorithms reduce waste and inefficiency. The result is higher profitability and better consumer experiences. Manufacturing has also been transformed through artificial intelligence. Predictive maintenance systems monitor equipment in real time, anticipating failures before they occur. This reduces downtime, improves safety, and lowers operational costs. Quality control systems powered by computer vision detect defects faster and more accurately than manual inspection. Transportation and logistics depend heavily on AI for route optimization, fuel efficiency, fleet management, and delivery forecasting. These systems help companies move goods faster while reducing environmental impact. At scale, even small efficiency improvements produce significant economic value. Behind every AI application lies a complex infrastructure ecosystem. Semiconductors, cloud platforms, data centers, networking systems, and cybersecurity solutions form the foundation of AI deployment. Companies that control these layers often benefit disproportionately because all AI applications depend on them. As AI adoption grows, so does demand for energy-efficient computing, advanced cooling systems, and edge computing solutions. Processing data closer to where it is generated reduces latency and improves performance, especially in real-time applications such as autonomous systems and industrial automation. One of the most persistent misconceptions about artificial intelligence is that it exists primarily to replace human workers. In reality, most AI systems today are designed to augment human capability rather than eliminate it. AI handles repetitive, data-intensive tasks, allowing people to focus on decision-making, creativity, and strategy. Organizations that adopt AI successfully do not become smaller, they become more productive. The same number of people can accomplish more work with greater accuracy and speed. This shift changes job roles rather than removing them entirely. That said, AI does introduce genuine challenges. Data privacy is a major concern as systems rely on sensitive information. Algorithmic bias can occur when training data reflects existing inequalities. Model transparency remains difficult, especially for complex systems that function as black boxes. Security risks also increase as AI systems become more powerful. Adversarial attacks, misinformation generation, and automation misuse are real threats. Addressing these challenges requires governance, ethical standards, regulatory frameworks, and responsible development practices alongside technical innovation. Over time, artificial intelligence will become less visible. Just as electricity and the internet faded into the background, AI will become an assumed part of modern systems. The most successful AI implementations will feel seamless, reliable, and intuitive rather than disruptive. The long-term impact of artificial intelligence extends beyond technology. It reshapes productivity, economic competition, national security, and workforce dynamics. Countries and organizations that understand AI deeply and deploy it responsibly will gain lasting advantages. Artificial intelligence and technological innovation are no longer optional topics. They are structural forces shaping how economies function and how value is created. Understanding these forces is no longer a technical luxury, it is becoming a fundamental requirement for navigating the future.